Alright, here's a video for Jesse and Dave to see my electric tractor slightly more completed. It now operates. Well, first, open the hood. There's 3 12-volt deep cycle batteries I got from Advanced Auto. If you're, they have so many coupons. I think they usually sell them for like $100, and you can get 40% off or something. Gets them down pretty low. So I got 3 of those for 36 volts, and I guess you can't see in there too well. There's a 36 volts Curtis controller, Septex, for a separately excited motor. I was able to basically reprogram it so the field current would be 0, and I could use it to run the serial motor that I have. I got this motor off of eBay for $100, brand new. I think it's a forklift motor, Hoister, I think is the name. If we look on the other side, it probably tells us. Or not. Whatever. It's a forklift motor, kind of one of a kind. The cables I got custom made from some guy on eBay. Genuine deals, and the no S on the end, it's a Z on the end. Pretty good cables, good service. Recommend getting the heat shrink on the end. These guys have the heat shrink. That guy doesn't, but I didn't know. So what else? Well, you can see the end bell is some old steel I had around. I was able to use my CNC to make that cutout circle there. I did basically the same thing on the other end of the motor. And I think I had to turn an adapter to get this original Bolens pulley on there. And I lowered the whole motor shaft an inch or so the batteries would clear the hood. That's trash pick bed frame there. It's good stuff. What else? Guess I had to make this idler pulley here for the belt as well. Because of the fact that I lowered the motor, it has to be smaller diameter. And this is my charge cable. I got these little battery minders. Should be 3 of them. I stole one to charge up another battery. So that charges it at like 1 amp or something. And presumably, maybe you should charge the batteries at a higher current than 1 amp to mix up the acid, so I don't know. Whatever, it works. So I'll just unplug that. And then we can take a seat. And I have some gauges I got on eBay. If I turn the key on, this is the throttle right here. It's a potentiometer, so I'll make sure it's all the way down so it doesn't hit the city car. Turn the key on. Now these guys I disconnected. I originally had 2 batteries, and I added a 3rd, so that kind of messed these guys up. I need to buy another meter, and maybe I'll shift the current meter down. But I'll put it in neutral, and then I can turn the motor. So now the motor's running. You can see the current. So we can take it for a ride. Just close the hood. So punch it in. Let's see which gear we have here. There we go. Alright, I think this is 3rd gear. The potentiometer really needs to be replaced by a foot pedal so I don't drive over something. But then just plug the cable back in again. And we're good to go. And that's pretty much it. I guess it's not technically done, but that's probably as far as it'll ever get.